Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to record payments from customers and payments to suppliers. Let's get started. From the party home, tap on Parties to see your list. Find and tap on the party you want to record a payment for. This opens the party details screen with 3 tabs: Info, Balance, and Timeline. Tap on the Balance tab. This is where you record all payment transactions. The Balance tab has a simple form at the top with an amount field, transaction type dropdown, payment method dropdown, and a submit button. Below that, you'll see a list of pending vouchers like unpaid invoices or bills that you can link to this payment. Payment in is when you receive money from a customer. Let's record it. Enter the amount you received in the amount field. For example, if the customer paid $5,000, enter $5,000. The transaction type is automatically set to Payment In for customers. You'll see a green add icon next to it. If needed, you can change it to Payment Out from the dropdown. Select a payment method from the dropdown. This is optional. Choose cash, bank transfer, UPI, check, card, or other based on how you receive the payment. If you want to link this payment to specific unpaid invoices, scroll down to see the vouchers list. Tap on the invoices you want to mark as paid. As you select vouchers, the amount field automatically updates to match the total. Or you can enter the amount manually without selecting any vouchers. Once everything is filled, tap the green Record Payment In button. The payment is recorded, party balance is updated, and if you selected invoices, they're marked as paid or partially paid. Payment Out is when you pay money to a supplier. The process is similar. Enter the amount you're paying in the amount field. Change the transaction type to Payment Out from the drop-down. You'll see a red minus icon next to it. Select the payment method: cash, bank transfer, UPI, check, card, or other. If you want to link this payment to specific unpaid purchase bills, scroll down and tap on the bills. The amount field updates automatically, or you can enter manually. Tap the red Record Payment Out button. The payment is recorded, supplier balance is reduced, and linked bills are marked as paid or partially paid. The vouchers list below the form shows all pending invoices or bills for this party. Each voucher card displays the voucher number, date, total amount, and pending balance. Tap any voucher to expand it and see more details. Tap the checkbox to select it for payment. You can select multiple vouchers at once. The total of selected vouchers automatically fills the amount field. If you're paying a different amount, just type it manually and the vouchers will be deselected. After successfully recording a payment, the form clears automatically and is ready for the next entry. The party's balance updates immediately. Switch to the Timeline tab to see the payment transaction in the history. All payment records are tracked with date, amount, payment method, and linked vouchers for complete transparency. That's it. Open any party's balance tab. Enter the amount received or paid, select Payment In for money received or Payment Out for money paid, choose payment method, optionally select vouchers to link, and tap the button to record. All payments are automatically tracked and update party balances instantly. Start managing payments today. Download TreeBills, available on Android, iOS, and web. Thanks for watching.